Chef here, several hours later. There's the pork tenderloin. It's been marinating and all of these dry spices and flavors have penetrated. It's looking really good. Next step I'm going to do actually is cut it into more manageable pieces because it's going to be pan seared, and I will just want to make it a little easier. So what I'm going to do here is remove the plastic. I'm going to cut it into some strips like this. Okay. Bite size. Yep. And then I'm going to continue and just cut it like this. Large chunks. Okay. Okay, so here is the pork. It's looking really good. Just going to move it out of my way here. Another ingredient I'm going to be using is these little cremini mushrooms. These are creminis right here. I'm just going to give them a little slice like this. Kind of a thick slice mushroom. As well as a knob onion. Okay, step one, we've got a very hot saute pan. We're putting some olive oil in the pan. Okay, the pork's got some color, it's looking good. At this point I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brandy. I'm also putting half a cup of chicken stock. Okay, it took about 10 minutes for this to braise and get really, really tender. You want to taste it and move on to the next step. Okay, the meat gets removed from the pan. The pan gets hot again. Starting once again, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It's hot. Going to be adding our onions. A little more garlic, cremini mushroom, oh, it smells so good. I think I need a touch more salt, and I'm going to be putting my tomatoes now. Let it cook. Yeah. Okay, the reduction's looking good. At this point, we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch and water slurry. The finished stew, looking really nice. I'm just going to be plating some of this up right here in this dish. Pork tenderloin. Okay, I'm going to be garnishing this today with some julienne pineapple. Here we go. And that's it. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Sponsor's right there. Score all the chef's tools right there. Yeah, that's gonna be good. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.